Welcome to MyECO. This lesson is about expressing the future with will. Let's start the lesson. What is the difference between I'm going to go to the doctor tomorrow and I will go to the doctor tomorrow? The difference is I will is not a plan, but I'm going to go to the doctor is a plan. I will is something I decide now. That's what we're going to talk about now. Or should I say, that's what we will talk about now. We usually start with the subject. I, for example, I will visit my grandparents next week. And of course, it is a future tense. Jane will go to work early tomorrow. Mark will graduate from school in 2 years. We will move to Istanbul next year. As you can see, will doesn't change, and also visit, go, graduate, and move, they don't change. In a negative, we use I will not get up early tomorrow. And the short version is I won't. Will not becomes won't. I won't get up early tomorrow. She will not take her umbrella with her. She won't take her umbrella with her. They will not eat dinner tonight. They won't eat dinner tonight. Jake will not accept your offer. Jack won't accept your offer. In general, this is used for writing, and this is used in speaking. Here are some questions. We start with will, and then we have the subject, and then we have the verb. The verb is infinitive or verb 1. Will you help me tomorrow? And the short answers are yes, I will, or no, I won't. Again, we start with will, and then we have the subject, and then we have the infinitive. Will they visit us next week? And the short answer can be yes, they will, or no, they won't. What will you wear tomorrow morning? Here, you is the subject, and what is the object. What will you wear tomorrow morning? I is the subject, will wear is the verb, a suit is the object. I will wear a suit. Where will you go tomorrow? That's another type of question. It's not an object question and it's not a subject question. I will go to my hometown. When deciding something quickly, we can also use will. Oh, the phone is ringing. I will answer it. When you decide something quickly, I will answer it. Also, when you guess something or predict something, we can use will. Do you think she will come? I think she won't come. Or I think she will come. And also when you promise something, I promise I won't smoke anymore. Or I will call you tonight. I promise. Let's take a look at the virtual screen. We start with the subject, I, we, you, etc. And then we put will in the middle, and then we put a verb, the infinitive, last. For example, I will wake up early tomorrow, or she will buy a dress next week. If we want to say a negative sentence, we use will not. I will not invite them to the party. If you want to make it short, it is won't. We won't sell our house. We can also use will plus the subject and verb if you want to ask a question. Will you watch TV tonight? And the short answer can be yes, I will, or no, I won't. This lesson was about expressing the future with will. Will you learn anything? We will see. You can now do the exercises, and I will see you next time.